to create the data frame. So when you will run it, so it is not running because what you want to print, it is not been shown. So now the data frame has been created. The names, if you want to change, let's say we can try. Um, Amish, Y, and E. Okay. So if I have changed the data, so that also been reflected. So that is how we can create the data. The next thing which we have tried over here, that is to identify the structure of the data. Okay. So if we go for take identifying the structure, so that is how this structure can be shown. Additionally, if we want to find the summary, so that also we can try for summary. So we'll get the summary of it, like what is the minimum, what is the median, what is the mean, what is the max. All those values we got with the command summary. Then if we go for extracting the specific data, that also we can see. So here in this case, for extracting the specific columns, so we need to use that dollar and employee name and salary that we are extracting. So when you will run, you will get like you have extracted the employee name and the salary. So those employees with their salaries get extracted. Next, if you want to try to see the rows, so that also you can extract by using this command. If we will run it, we'll get the output as like these two, that is Ron and Danny, that two rows have been extracted. If we want the respective third and fifth row, second and fourth column, so that is also possible. So if you will try for extracting it, and if we will run the code, we'll get okay. So that third and fifth column, third and fifth row, and second and fourth column data we got. Okay. The next, if we want to add the specific data in a column, we can use this command like employee data dollar department. So department we want to add in it. So when we run the respective code, we could see the additional data frame is added. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so that new department have been added over there. If we want to go ahead and to add the row and bind it, so that is also possible. So here in this case, what we have done, we have taken this, we have created a second data frame of employee new data and binded that two data frames. So the final data frame you could see, like you have the additional data frame. Okay, this should not be there. You should able to read the error. Okay, if error is coming. So like now it is added, 3 more rows have been added for Rashmi, Pranab and Tushar. Okay, so this is the complete output for the data frame.